Okay, we hitting the heads today. So I got my little bits in, the little cutters. I got the triple springs. So they're a little wider. So I had to get a spring seat cutter. And it do the 560 guide, but I need a 530. You know, on the guide. Hold on, I got that thing. Let's see. So I had to get the 530. This one cut a 560. I need a 530 because I'm running these right here. 503, 16. And then that's this is what we gotta cut down the guide right here to 530. And where the spring sit at, see how it's grooved in there. I gotta widen that out, so we're gonna work on that. Keep you updated on how it's coming, you know, if I messed it up or not. Alright, you can see that's how it's gonna do. So it's gonna cut the guide down, which is right here. And then once it do that, it's gonna cut the valve spring seat down, which is right here. So, well, it's not really gonna cut it out, it's gonna widen it out. Like this little lip right here. It won't allow the triple springs to sit open, so it's gonna bore it out to this width right here. Alright gang, we got 2 of them done. Only thing I did was the valve seats so far. Then I gotta come back and hit the guide for the smaller one to go, the small umbrella to go in there. You can see how these look. Before, see how they got this lip around there, like we talked about earlier. So I just got, once that all gets shiny and flush, you know, I know I'm, you know, pretty much flat. So we gotta do all these. Then I gotta do the other head over there. So I think I'm gonna do all these first. They go to bed, and then I'm gonna do the. I was gonna do both, but you know, with the heat and stuff, I come back and let it cool off. But it ain't that hot. All right, what's up, gang? We got all these done. And the last one right here, I did a little fitment check. So I got the triple springs, so they fit good. They hit that one, then do the other side, then we're gonna work on the guide right there. So once I get done. All right, got that last one done. Now I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna hit the guide. There's a tool right here. I just put this on. I actually had to take it out of the drill and put it in from the back side. It's got a little groove right here that won't let it get in from this side. So it's the back side straight. And that's what it's going. It's going to take that down right there for me. So I'm going to put it in the drill. We're going to hit that. And then go ahead and do the rest of it. All right, yeah, I can see we're starting to put the valves back in. I got the intake side in, and I got it umbrella installed on it. So I just put the exhaust one in, and they come with this little plastic cap. That's so you can slide this over without messing up the seal on the top side. So I'm gonna do that. Well, I can't really do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down real quick. Let me see if I can kind of get on there. I don't want to push the valve. See, I end up pushing the valve down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all these. Then we're gonna start putting the springs on. All right. Got all the valves in. When I push the valve in order to get this on, like I talked about, the little thing it come with. I just slid that on now, popped it down, and then to get the seat on the guide, I got a a little tool I got, and it's gonna also for compressing the spring too. Like $23 online. So I just took the small one out of there, just for this, and I barely pushed down to get this seat onto the guide. And so now you know the valves are pretty stiff. So next we're gonna I'm gonna put the oil seals on there. Ain't nothing but a little rubber gasket. I mean, yeah, O-ring gasket. And I'm gonna put them on, then we're gonna drop the valves on that spring. All right, what's up, gang? We back. We put them seals on. Let me show you one right there. They just slid over. Just kind of be careful when you slide them over. I still got a little oil on there from when I was putting the valve in there. So now we got the, 2 of the springs done. Well, 3. I couldn't see that one. And I got the other compression. I'm putting the little lockers in there. That's these right here. We use Super Valve Locks 611-116, and the valve stem size of 1132, however y'all want to say it. So you can see how tall these sit without being compressed and locked in. So I got one done, and you just kind of wiggle it around from the top to get them to seat in place, and then you just back out, and it's gonna lock in automatically. So we're gonna do these other 2. Here's the little tops that go on top of them. There's a couple of them. They just sit on top. And so I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. Then we're gonna go ahead, drop it on. Went with the studs, just in case I decide to boost it. But if I do that, I'm gonna have to change my cam again. So dropped it on. You know, we're gonna do all the gaskets, which you should do. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna hit you back on. What's the deal? We already stabbed one of them. I went ahead and completed this so I can hurry up and show y'all, because I'm gonna get ready to shut it down. Like I said, went with head studs. You're supposed to torque those down in 3 different sequences. So starting from the center, the diaphragm is online along with the torque spittings. I just got it snug just so I can show y'all. My billet rocker arms, they also loose on here. I was just showing you, letting you check it out, and they all self-aligning. Meaning they got little guides on the left and right side, so it'll align back on, you know, not one off. So, and I went with 1.6s. If you know about cams, you know, and ratios, you'll know why I did that. I don't have a big cam, but she sound good. Well, I ain't heard it yet, but I've heard what they sound like. So my cam is spec to these heads. You know, everybody want to just throw a big cam in there, but I mean, if it ain't spec to the heads with the airflow, it's pointless. You're probably gonna be burning a lot of gas and stuff. But here go the other one. To go ahead and get. So as far as we're gonna go in this video, stay tuned for the updates. All right. Like we talked about in the other videos, so I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw that one together.